Hello, dear student. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the topic stated on the board: General English Grammar for all. Topic है मेरा models and its application. So far I have delivered 3 topic on this models. One was the basic shall and past of this shall should. Then there was will and would, and one was considered 2 times. ठीक है. तो today I am going to discuss with you part 4th, use of may, might and must. What are the probable condition where we make use of this may, might and must? तो देखिए, here we will discuss the first part, that is may. Today we will discuss the use of may. पार्ट फर्स्ट में हम इसी में डिस्कस करेंगे यूज ऑफ मे. तो देखिए, दीज आर पार्ट ऑफ आवर इंग्लिश ग्रामर लैंग्वेज का ये पार्ट है, एंड वी हैव टू गो थ्रू इट थारोली इन ऑर्डर टू हैव द क्लैरिटी वेयर द मॉडल्स आर necessarily used and where they cannot be used. So may is used to use a may is used to express. may को यूज किया जाता है एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए परमिशन. पार्ट ए में परमिशन, टू सीक परमिशन, यानी कि वन हैज़ टू सीक परमिशन फ्रॉम द अदर, सीनियर और जूनियर और द फ्रेंड. मे आई come in, sir? May I come in, sir? So here the question rise. It is used to ask a question where there is a permission, but here this may is used to ask a question. यहाँ पे question पूछा गया, may I come in, sir? Mean the somebody is asking the senior boss who is sitting in the office, may I come in? If you go to any office and you first seek the permission to get in, and then we proceed. Then may is also used for possibility. B, it is also used for possibility. may जो है इसको हम पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. तो पॉसिबिलिटी, इट में रेन टुडे, आज बारिश हो सकती है नहीं है. इट मे रेन टुडे, आर यू मे आस्क लाइक दिस, माई टीचर my teacher may attend the class today. मेरा टीचर आज क्लास अटेंड कर सकता है. मतलब पॉसिबिलिटी है, हो सकता है ऐसा. देयर इज ए कंडीशन, पॉसिबिलिटी है कि माई फ्रेंड मे कम टुडे, आर माई टीचर मे अटेंड द क्लास टुडे, आर इट मे रेन टुडे, आज बारिश हो सकती है, संभावना है. देन देयर इज ए पर्पस, पर्पस मकसद भी होता है किसी का. नो बडी वर्क विदाउट एनी पर्पस, नो बडी गो एनीवेयर विदाउट एनी पर्पस. सो पर्पस, सी मे वी विल डिस्कस द पर्पस. हियर इन पर्पस क्या है, पर्पस में क्या है, वी ईट सो दैट वी मे लिव. हम इसलिए खाते हैं ताकि जिंदा रह सके, वी मे लिव. तो हेयर मे इज यूज्ड टू फॉर द पर्पस. आर वी आर We wear light colored cloths, so that we may not feel hotter in summer. Hot in summer. We wear light colored clothes in summer so that we may not feel hot. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं, तो ये भी ऐसा भी ठीक है. Then wish or prayer, the D part, wish or prayer. विश भी होती है या प्रेयर भी की जा सकती है. तो ड्यूरिंग विश, मे यू लिव लॉन्ग, मे यू प्रॉस्पर इन योर लाइफ, और मे गॉड bless you with good physique. So this is the what wish or prayer is being done. Here we wish that you may prosper in your life. Okay, one should go ahead with all what he needs as per the society and what are his desires, but not excess, but to some extent. Then may God bless you with good physique. It means you may have good physique to for your so that you may prosper in your life without any hurdle or any sort of problem. Next, so next we are going to make use of this word. Now we will discuss the use of might. We will discuss now use of might. Use of might. First of all, we must know that this might is the past form of may. Might is the past form of may. Might is used to express might. What is this might? Might क्या है? Might is the past form of the may and it is used to express purpose in the past tense. Part A, purpose in the past tense. Now you are well aware with you the past tense. Past mean the time that has been passed. Here in this case we are only discussing the past form of the past tense, the time that has been passed. So might is also used as the past. He ran fast. He worked hard so that he worked hard so that he might score good marks. He worked hard so that he might score good marks. Or he ran fast or he ran fast so that he might catch the train. Then B. This might is also used for the remote possibility. Remote possibility. Might is also used for the remote possibility. The sky is clear, but it might rain. The sky is clear, but it might rain. आसमान बिल्कुल साफ है, बस ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि बट इट माइट रेन, बारिश हो सकती है. यहाँ यू कैन से लाइक दिस, द स्काई इज क्लियर, इट माइट नॉट बी सनी. आसमान साफ है लेकिन धूप नहीं हो सकती. सो देन इट इज आल्सो यूज्ड फॉर द पॉसिबिलिटी और परमिशन इन पास्ट टेंस. possibility or permission in the past tense. So this might can also be used, it could also be used for the possibility or permission in the past tense. Possibility or permission in the past tense. So past tense I have already discussed that it is of four types. There are simple past, past perfect continuous, जिसको progressive past भी कहते हैं. Then there is a past perfect, and after that past perfect continuous. Simple past, in simple past we make use of second form of the verb with the subjects. In the past continuous we make use of was and were with the as per subject matter, whether it is singular or plural. Then first form of verb plus ing. Then past perfect, for past perfect we make use of the verb auxiliary verb had plus third form of the verb. And then past perfect continuous may make use of had plus been plus third form of the verb, first form of verb plus ing. And there may be since and past can be used, since and for can be used when the time is specifically mentioned or not mentioned. ठीक है. So the tortoise said that he might win the race. The tortoise said that he might win the race. So after might, now we have discussed may and might. May is the first form of the modals, and then might is the past second form of this modal may, and it is used in the past to discuss various matters where there are number of things that we can discuss here. Might is the past form of may. So might is used as the purpose in the past, remote possibility, and possibility or permission in the past tense. तो ये possibility भी है और permission भी है. He might win the race. टाटा said that, उसने ये ऐसा डिस्कस पहले ही शो कर दिया. The headmaster said that the students might get through the exam. The teacher said that his students his student might get through the exam, might get through the exam. ठीक है, तो these are the conditions which are we discussed for the might. And now the third and the last one that is we are going to discuss here is the use of must. So what is the condition for the use of must? Now we are going to discuss the condition for the use of must. So must जो है use of must. Must is used to express necessity or obligation. First, must is used to express a necessity or obligation. Must is used to express the necessity or obligation. जैसे you must work hard lest you must work hard to get through the UGC to get through SSC exam. You must run fast to win the race. Then secondly, it is also used to express compulsion. Compulsion mean जिसे हम मजबूरी कहते हैं. We make use of this word compulsion as मजबूरी. The driver drivers must wear uniform. Driver must wear uniform while driving. You must reach home. You must reach home at once. आपको तुरंत घर आना है. After compulsion, then there is an emphatic advice as well. This word must is used to emphatic advice. Emphasize करना किसी चीज को stress देके. Emphatic advice. Where emphatic advice is sought. You must consult some good doctor. You must consult some good physician. You must consult some educated person. Then it is also used as prohibition. Must also use as prohibition. Prohibition mean सब मना करना, prohibit से. Must is also used for prohibition. You must not go. You must not leave the class without permission. Or you must not leave the office without permission. That's all. So this was our today's topic that we have discussed so far. For the models have been discussed. This is the fourth topic for this model, and last one topic. In the last one, we will also take four things that need to be discussed here, and this must be go through properly in order to make your concept clear. If unless your concept are clear, it is very tough to do the exercise. So for doing exercise, you have to discuss the this topic thoroughly, so that you may collect all the ideas and then you can attempt the questions very easily. Dear students, most of the times classes I do take the classes continuously, but due to paucity of time or due to some urgency, I'm not able to deliver the lessons properly or every Sunday because of some urgencies there. So I will try the best to discuss the rest as soon as possible. Then we will take the class on mathematics as well and on the science topic as well. ठीक है? So English grammar is nearly going to be complete. Okay, thank you. One thing I may tell you that unless you go through the videos continuously, thoroughly, your concept cannot become clear. Clarity of the concept will be there if you go through the topic constantly and regularly and thoroughly. So with the request or good hope that you will not only go through my videos but also will like to share, subscribe and like the channel as well. Have a nice day. Thank you. Once again, please go through the video continuously and